Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to find Tonkeeper wallet address. So yeah, let's just start video. So first off, how you can do it, you can just open up your Tonkeeper application, and after that you can see at the Tonkeeper application right here. Now what do? You can tap on just wallet option, and now you can see you have currently available in this wallet, so you can select which one. So after that you need to tap on address underneath your account balance. Tap on it and copy this. So after this, if you get more address Tonkeeper wallet, so you can see at the top right corner settings, tap on it and scroll down, and then you can see address update. So if you want to get more address update as well, your old account address or new account address update. So yeah, so this is how you can do it. So that's it guys, see you in the next video, bye.